The wait is finally over. Action camera fans have been buzzing about this moment for months. The GoPro Hero 14 Black has officially arrived, and it comes packed with bold promises that are hard to overlook. Rumors, leaks, and speculation have circled the internet for quite some time, and now GoPro's latest flagship is ready to prove itself. From cutting-edge 8K recording to smarter stabilization, longer battery life, and seamless connectivity, this camera is aiming to push boundaries once again. But the real question is, does the Hero 14 Black represent a true leap forward, or just another small step in the same direction? In this video, we'll break it all down for you. We'll explore its design, dive into new features, and push performance to the test in real-world conditions to see if it still deserves the crown as the ultimate action camera in 2025. The GoPro Hero 14 Black continues GoPro's signature rugged design, but introduces refinements that make it more durable and easier to use. Still waterproof without a case, the body is now slimmer and sleeker with improved heat management, so you can record longer without overheating issues. The buttons have been redesigned for a better tactile feel, which comes in handy when filming with gloves or in wet environments. On the display side, the front screen now offers a smoother refresh rate for previews, while the brighter rear touchscreen makes framing easier, even under harsh sunlight. These may seem like subtle tweaks, but they clearly show GoPro's focus on usability. Where this camera really shines is in performance. Native 8K recording at 30 frames per second delivers stunning, cinema-like visuals. Meanwhile, 4K at 240 frames per second unlocks ultra-slow motion footage perfect for sports, stunts, and fast-paced action. A larger image sensor significantly boosts low-light performance, giving you sharper, cleaner results in darker environments, whether it's night trails, concerts, or indoor shooting. Hyper-smooth stabilization, now in its 7th generation, ensures ultra-steady footage no matter how extreme the conditions. Whether you're racing down a rocky trail or skydiving, your footage will remain buttery smooth. Beyond the raw specs, GoPro has added intelligent tools to streamline shooting. AI-powered framing automatically keeps your subject in focus, no matter how unpredictable the movement. Advanced horizon leveling ensures the shot stays perfectly aligned, even if you flip the camera upside down. Athletes like snowboarders or gymnasts will appreciate this. Cinematic presets make it simple to capture polished footage without needing to dive into manual settings. And with quick capture modes, you can start recording instantly using your favorite configuration. These upgrades save time and allow creators to focus more on the action and less on controls. Battery life is another strong point. A larger capacity battery paired with better thermal efficiency pushes recording times to nearly 2.5 hours at 4K. Rapid USB-C charging takes you back to 80% in under 30 minutes, meaning less downtime and more shooting. Connectivity has also been upgraded with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. File transfers to your smartphone or the GoPro app are faster than ever. The app itself is expected to receive upgrades like stronger cloud backups, smoother in-app editing, and even support for live 4K streaming. Sharing your adventures instantly with friends, family, or followers has never been easier. When you put all together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black doesn't feel like a minor update. It's a solid step forward in design, performance, and creative flexibility. For adventurers, athletes, vloggers, and content creators, this may be GoPro's most complete and powerful release yet. And that wraps up our look at the GoPro Hero 14 Black. From design refinements that make it tougher and more user-friendly, to breathtaking 8K recording, smarter AI features, improved battery life, and faster connectivity, this camera feels built for any adventure you can imagine. Whether you're chasing adrenaline-filled outdoor moments, documenting your daily life as a vlogger, or experimenting with creative angles as a content creator, the Hero 14 Black has the tools to keep up with your vision. But what do you think? Do these upgrades feel like a true leap forward? Or does your current GoPro still get the job done? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights here on Lenzloop.